I'm gonna cut it into three. Okay, we'll cut it into three. You can cut it less, or you can cut it bigger than that. You can also cut it smaller than that. You can decide to cut it into small. Yeah. I'll go and wash it before the next step. Wash, transfer into the pot, add some salt. You can also add sugar if you want to. Cover and start cooking. So for our mixture for the Yamarita, we have the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs, 4 small eggs. Use egg according to the quantity of the yam you're frying. And here I have my all-purpose plain flour. We'll go ahead and add some spices to it. Using a teaspoon of sugar. Just this one is optional. I'm just adding this 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So for this, I'm also adding salt, pepper. Add this garlic and the ginger powder. This dry parsley. And this leftover spring onion. I don't have a onions, so what we're doing is we take this and add here. Watching, right? I'm going to add a little water to lighten it. I'm adding it some water to lighten it up. About 2 tablespoons of water. Here we have our Yamarita and our sausage stew. Remember our sausage stew? I'll leave the link in my description box below. Do check it out.